Hey everybody, it's Brooke with Brookie's Cookies, continuing our Cookiepalooza. Today I thought it would be fun to do a little science class. I loved science. I didn't do that great in it. I was much better at painting. But anyway, today I'm going to talk about a really important ingredient in almost any kind of baking, and that's baking soda and baking powder. And these are two different things. A lot of people have asked me what's the difference between baking soda and baking powder. Baking soda is otherwise known as sodium bicarbonate, and it's actually, if you taste it, it's very salty because it's chemically a close relative of table salt, NaCl. And so that needs both an acid and a liquid to activate it to actually help baked goods to rise. So an example might be molasses, brown sugar, cream of tartar even helps it to be activated. And then the difference between this and baking powder is that baking powder already includes an acidic agent in it, and all you need is a little bit of water to activate that. And the other difference between these two is that this one, the bicarbonate baking soda, has a lot more leavening power than baking powder does, so rising power basically. It's the difference between, like, here you're benching 400 pounds at the gym and here you're benching like 100 pounds at the gym, so to give you an idea. So now I'm going to give you my little science experiment. I'm just going to take a little bit of the baking soda and put it in vinegar, and this is how you tell if your baking soda is good or if you should throw it away. You see that? You see how it's going all fizzy? That means my baking soda is perfectly good to go. I don't need to throw it out. This one, my baking powder, I'm going to make sure that that's good, because again, you don't want to even use this in baking, because if they don't work, you might as well just throw it all out. Put a little bit of this in warm water, because remember, it doesn't need acid, just water. And look at that. See how it's fizzing like crazy too? No, that's a very happy baking powder, and that will work just fine, so I don't need to throw that out either. And you might ask which came first. Actually, it was this one. This one actually came onto the market in about 1846, and this one came onto the market 10 years later. So whichever you use in your recipes, I just hope you get a rise out of it. Thanks for watching. Bye.